So this is the baby's bottom. The legs will be coming out this way. Does that make sense? That's a little boy part between the legs. He's trying not to show that, so that's the reason I went ahead and he's got his legs and everything else up underneath him. So the way he's laying, the way he's laying, he's got his little head down here at the bottom. You see the white circle going all the way around right here. That's going to be the top of his head. Okay, so his head is down. We're going to come straight up from that. This will be his body. And then on up is when I got into the line white lines for the legs. Okay? So what I was doing was we're coming from different sides because of the way he's laying. And you can see his spine. Now we do look for spinal bifida. I didn't see any opening at this time. However, we do not see Down syndrome with ultrasound. It's not something we can pick up. Okay? So, but what I'm looking at here, first of all, you can see his heart beating right here. You can see a black circle for his stomach where he's swallowing the black amniotic fluid around him. And then as we come on down, there's another black circle for his little bladder. And then so you can see the spine coming that way. The gray area up here is going to be your placenta. That's an arm.
Oh, okay. That's an arm.
This is the elbow, down to the wrist, to the hand, curled up. Kind of laying behind him like that. And then let's see if I can get you a face picture. He's straight down. You see a skeleton face staring at you? See a black eye, nose, mouth. This is the skeleton.
Wow.
Through here. You can see it up underneath it again.
He just doesn't want to be
I
seen.
know, he's got them folded up underneath him there. He doesn't like to see his little feet. He's got them right underneath that little bottom. See him moving? You can see the side view of one of them. But just got it up underneath him. So he's moving, but he's just kicking. Knocks him up underneath him. He's comfortable. So, alright, I've got everything that she's going to